Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
That's a tower crane. It's unloading the train's wagons. The train has brought lots of different colored containers to the station. There's a green container, a red one, kaboom! The crane didn't put the container down right, and it fell over. The puppy is wondering what the sound was. Shall we check? Just like that, so nothing falls. Its cargo's been shifted. The train is leaving. The puppy's trying to sniff out what's inside the containers. Each container needs delivering to the right address. Can you guess who's going to help? That's right, the helper cars. The crane truck, flatbed truck, and the 3 forklift trucks are off to work. The cars are ready. Let's get to work. The tower crane is lifting up the green container. Let's see what's inside. Ah, apples. That delivery is definitely not for the puppy. The blue forklift is carefully lifting the boxes up with its forks. Thanks for the help, puppy. Time to get the fruit to the farm. Horsies, here are your treats. Enjoy your food. I wonder what's inside the yellow container. Maybe there's a package for the puppy. No, those are tires. The pink forklift is taking them away. They need the tires at the repair shop. The red pickup truck is missing one of its wheels. It's got its wheel back. The pickup truck can drive again. Let's see what's inside the red container. Wow! It's a new home for the puppy. There's a proper kennel on the bottom, with a little red door that you can open and close. The helper cars are helping to move the new kennel and put it where the puppy's old kennel is. Let's go! Let's take away the old kennel and put the new one in its place. Go on in, puppy. Do you like it? What are those? They look like parts for a slide. The crane truck is setting the slide up on the top floor of the kennel. Some stairs. Puppy, give it a go. Ooh, amazing! Thank you, helper cars. The kitten has come to play a little too. That looks so fun. The helper cars are going back to their garage. Someone else will probably need their help again very soon. Till next time.
Helper cars.